Welcome to Tech Jungle. Today, we're diving into the realm of the Samsung Galaxy S24. Freshly unveiled, this series promises groundbreaking features and stunning innovation. Join us as we unravel its advancements, explore its sleek design, and discover how it's reshaping the smartphone landscape. Don't miss out, subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest tech trends. Stay tuned to see the release date and price on this phone. Now let's take a look at some features. Rumors surrounding the design evolution of the S24 series suggest a departure from the curved edges, leaning towards a shift to flat screens. This transition might result in a more streamlined appearance, possibly showcasing thinner bezels that align with contemporary aesthetics. Leaked renders hint at a similarity to the S23 series, while tantalizing suggestions propose the integration of a titanium frame in the S24 Ultra. This addition could potentially reduce the device's weight by a remarkable 10%, promising a more lightweight yet durable build. Expect notable advancements in display technology, particularly with the S24 Ultra expected to feature a sizable 6.8-inch WQHD display capable of delivering an astonishing 2,500 nits of brightness. Additionally, leaks suggest the possibility of varying screen sizes for the S24 and S24 Plus, hinting at the potential inclusion of LTPO screens. This signifies improved power efficiency and the introduction of variable refresh rates, promising a more adaptable and energy-conscious user experience. Anticipate a noteworthy shift in the processor landscape, potentially marking a return to Samsung's Exynos chipsets alongside the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. However, industry speculation suggests this divergence might be region-specific, with the S24 Ultra favoring Qualcomm chips across all markets. Camera enhancements for the S24 series, particularly for the Ultra model, are a focal point of leaks. Reports indicate a robust 200MP main camera, complemented by a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 50MP 5x zoom, and a 10MP 10x zoom telephoto camera. Nevertheless, conflicting reports add an air of mystery, especially regarding the maximum zoom capabilities, oscillating between suggestions of 5x and 10x options. The S24 series is expected to witness enhancements in battery capacities, potentially boosting the S24 with a 4,000 mAh battery, the S24 Plus with a 4,900 mAh battery, while the S24 Ultra might retain its formidable 5,000 mAh capacity. These advancements aim to prolong usage and cater to diverse user needs with extended battery life. In the software domain, expectations are high for the S24 series to debut with Android 14, accompanied by Samsung's One UI 6 or 6.1. However, uncertainty looms over the longevity of software updates from Samsung. This uncertainty is amplified when considering the company's 4-year support commitment for the S23 series, which starkly contrasts Google's promise of 7 years of support for the Pixel 8 series. A significant leap forward for the S24 series lies in the integration of Samsung Gauss, an innovative generative AI model comprising 3 pivotal components: Samsung Gauss Language, Code, and Image. Gauss aims to revolutionize various aspects, including text generation, assistance in coding endeavors, and the augmentation of image creation. Anticipated AI features encompass real-time phone call translations, generative AI wallpaper similar to the Google Pixel 8 series, and advanced photo editing tools integrated into Samsung Notes. These tools promise groundbreaking capabilities, enabling users to manipulate objects within images, unlocking a new realm of creativity and expression. And now, as I promised, let's look at some prices and release dates, shall we? Samsung traditionally unveils its flagship Galaxy S series in the first quarter of the year. Looking at the company's historical pattern, expectations are high for a January or February 2024 announcement of the Galaxy S24 lineup. The anticipation is fueled by reports suggesting a potential unveiling on January 17, 2024, at an Unpacked event in San Jose, California. The FCC filings under model numbers SM, S921U, SM926U, and SM928U further fortify the imminent arrival of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, respectively. Staying consistent with previous strategies, Samsung seems inclined to maintain the pricing structure seen in its S23 series. The base model S24 is anticipated to launch around $800, followed by the S24 Plus at $1,000 and the flagship S24 Ultra starting at $1,200. In contrast to competitors like Apple and Google, Samsung's reluctance to inflate prices brings relief to potential buyers, fostering continuity in affordability. Thanks for tuning into our Samsung Galaxy S24 exploration. For more exciting tech content and in-depth reviews, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to never miss an update. Stay connected with us for the latest on innovation and tech trends. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech-savvy with us.